Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to create Facebook Messenger group chat. Here are the steps to create a Facebook Messenger group chat on your mobile device. Open the Messenger app on your mobile phone. Tap the pencil icon or new message button at the top right corner. Then choose Group Chat. In the search field, start typing the names of the friends you want to include. Tap the check mark beside each name to add them to the group chat. After adding everyone, tap Next or Create Group Chat, depending on your Messenger version. A new group chat window will open automatically. Now tap on the group chat name. Tap the group name area at the top, where the participant names are displayed. Select Change Name to give your group chat a custom name. Enter your desired group name, for example, Weekend Plans or Project Team, and tap Save. To add a profile photo for the group, tap the group picture and choose a photo from your gallery or take a new one. Tap the info icon or the group name again to open group settings. From here, you can add members, mute notifications, or customize emojis and chat colors. Type your first message in the chat box and tap Send to start the conversation. Your Facebook Messenger group chat is now active and all members can send messages, photos, and reactions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.